Wow, what a beautiful sight of nature.
Yes, indeed.
See these beautiful butterflies and the bloom flowers.
And the colorful peacocks, they look so adorable, isn't it?
Yes, of course. Mother Nature is the wonderful gift of God.
Hey, who is this? Get out from here!
Who are you to show us away from here?
I won't cut. I have come to cut the trees.
No, we will not allow you to cut the tree.
Who are you to tell me that?
Hey, there is a bird's nest on the branch of the tree. It may fall down.
How dare you? Get out of my way, you little fellows.
Such an inhuman act, you heartless man.
See, all the nets have broken. They were about to hatch.
Our Mother Nature is shattering into pieces. Literally, she's crying.
Let's stop blaming the nest for the fall.
See, because of you, because of them.
It's only because of
Us. We are responsible for that.
the human is destroying Mother Nature to fulfill his selfish desires.
Now, it's time to all make a first step to protect our Mother Nature. It's a global warming alarm for us. We have to become alert.
Is that enough giving big speech and planting plants on 5th June? But what about other days? Every day we must celebrate Environmental Day. Then it will become fruitful.
Yes, we each and every individual must take the
Savya.
initiative to save our Mother Earth.